Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to use ChatGPT for your marketing campaigns. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Are you using ChatGPT for your marketing campaigns? You can use ChatGPT to help you generate relevant content in your marketing campaigns. It can help create the right content for targeting your customers. First, craft email content. ChatGPT can provide any type of email content, like sending email to a client or for any business email purposes. You just need to tell the chatbot what needs to be inside the email. Then proofread the content generated by the chatbot. Adjust the parts of the email that is suitable to your needs. Let's try this query. Can you create a sales email for a whitening cream product that costs $29? Now you can see an example email crafted here. If you proofread this, you can tailor the content that will best suit your marketing needs. If the email doesn't have a subject yet, like in this example, you can add a new query about adding example subject lines for a whitening cream product. You can use any of these subject lines that can capture a reader's attention. You can even tell chatbot to show you more subject lines relevant to the previous topic. It knows what topic you are referring to. In this example, the previous topic is the sales email for a whitening cream product. You can take note of these results and copy them on your Word document. Next, craft product descriptions. If you are selling products on your e-commerce site, you can use ChatGPT to craft the best product descriptions. We can still connect the generated results from the previous query. Now let's refer to the same product and ask the chatbot to generate a product description relevant to the previous topic, which is a whitening cream product. Next, social media posts. You might struggle with crafting content on your social media accounts like Facebook and Instagram. You can use the help of this chatbot to generate posts for your product. You can use these example captions in your post for a product that you're promoting on your page. For this example, we are still using the same product. We can still refer to our next queries and questions based on the previous topic. Copy the content generated here on your Word document, then apply it on your social media account. Next, create sample ad campaigns. If you're promoting a product as an ad campaign, you can use the help of the chatbot to generate a copy for your ad. Just type in this query, and it can generate a campaign goal, a target audience, the campaign message, the ad creative that shows 3 ad copies, the distribution, and the budget for the campaign. Copy these results on your Word document. Now, if you need to generate more sample ad campaigns for a different topic, just input specific instructions for the chatbot, and it can generate it for you.